Hi, I'm Subash. I started preparing for my JEE from my 11th with Vedantu. In the beginning, things were a bit difficult, but eventually things started getting better. I started focusing on my weak areas and started solving a lot of problems, which helped me a lot to improve my problem solving skills and a lot of things. Currently, right now, I given my JEE first attempt, in which I performed well. Right now, I'm preparing for my JEE Advanced. I hope things will turn out pretty well. If you are a JEE aspirant, just remember that your rank doesn't decide your future. It's your ability to get back your desk after a failure. That's what actually matters a lot. That's what I learned in the past 2 years. So just focus on improving yourself. And in this journey, I want to thank all the people who supported me, who guided me, especially my parents, and most importantly my Ayush sir and Venkatesh sir, who has been a backbone of my journey, and also thank you for believing in me. Thank you.